Unexpected emergency alert systems in different countries, part 2. Firstly, I feel like an emergency alert alarm should feel pretty scary, but Iceland's almost just sounds like a Nintendo game. However, I don't feel like they should be too scary because Zambia's feels like the world is going to end. Yeah, that was pretty intense, but Mexico's sounds like you're about to get abducted by an alien. Moving on, Germany's alarm seriously sounds like a beat somebody made on their computer. Finally, this is Tuvalu's emergency alarm. I'm not too sure how legit it is because it's wild.